Changing paragraph alignment enhances the look of a document and helps to guide readers through the information more easily. In this lesson, you learn to center text, justify text, and right-align text. In the flyer we're working on, all the text is aligned so it's flush with the left margin of the document. When we're finished, it'll look like this. We right-aligned this text at the top of the page, we centered the title, and we also justified this paragraph so that both the left and right edges are flush with the left and right margins. Let's get started. In step 1, you'd replace the text in this first line with your name, as well as the current date. By default, text in a document is left-aligned, which means it's flush with the left margin and has a ragged edge on the right. All of our text is currently left-aligned. And up here on the ruler, you can see exactly where the left margin is located. However, we want the name and date to be right-aligned, and right-aligned text is simply flush with the document's right margin. So in step 2, I'll select the text I just typed, then I'll go up to the paragraph group, and I'll click the Align Right button. The text moves to the right side of the page so it's aligned with the right margin. And again, the ruler shows you exactly where the right margin is located. In step 3, I'll place the insertion point here, I'll press Delete to remove the comma, and then I'll press Enter. This moves the date to a new paragraph which is also right-aligned, since it uses the same formatting as the original paragraph. Now in step 4, we want to center the title. When you center text, it's positioned evenly between the left and right margins. So I'll select both lines of the title. Then in the paragraph group, I'll click the Center button. And the two paragraphs are now centered evenly between the margins. In step 5, I'll scroll down. I'll place the insertion point in this heading. I'll go up and click the Center button again. And this text is now also centered. In step 6, I'll scroll back up, and I'll place the insertion point in this italicized paragraph. Then, in the paragraph group, I'll click the Justify button. When you justify a paragraph, Word adjusts the spacing between words so that each line is flush with both margins. And as you can see, the text now lines up with the right margin, as well as the left margin. And now, we want the Rajasthan Desert Safari heading here to be left-aligned as it was before. So in step 7, I'll click in the heading, and I'll go up to the paragraph group, but this time I'll click the Launcher. The paragraph dialog box opens, providing another way to change paragraph alignment, along with many other settings. In step 8, I'll click the Alignment list arrow, I'll click Left, I'll click OK, and the heading is left-aligned once again. Finally, I'll save our changes. To try these steps yourself, and for some additional tips, and to learn about formatting a document using themes, turn to page Word 56 in your book.